The town of Uzin is in the Kyiv region of Ukraine, 20 kilometers east of the town of Bila Tserkva. It stretches for several kilometers along the course of a small river. The city is famous for being the location of a military bomber aviation division of long-range aviation during the time of the former Soviet Union. At that time, Uzyn was a strategic military object. There was a huge military airfield complex in the town, which could accommodate aircraft of all classes. By 2000, the military units subordinated to the airfield were disbanded and the airfield closed. The population decreased several times over. Today, almost 12,000 people live in Uzyn. A military camp was built in the town of Uzyn to house people from military units. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, an agreement was signed between Ukraine and Russia on the transfer of two 95 ms strategic bombers and more than 300 X-55 cruise missiles to the Russian Federation. Who would have thought that from these aircraft, in 2022, Russia would fire cruise missiles at peaceful Ukrainian cities? In 1998, the airfield was closed, and military units disbanded. The population of Uzyn was sharply reduced. As they said goodbye to the planes, the pilots wept. The strategic airbase was leaving Uzyn for good, breaking the fates of the pilots like dry branches.